see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does.
So, ito yung first day ng lockdown dito sa... Good morning.
I'm making a necklace.
Are you? Today is Friday, July 21. Ito yung homework naman ni Holly, yung ginagawa.
And please
Ayan.
be quiet and don't ignore me.
Ay, wow. Please be quiet and don't annoy you. Ayan. Ito yung gagawin niya. And si Zach, ginagawa niya na yung homework niya. Anong oras pa lang ha? What's the time? 9:13 si Kuya. Nagbabasa ulit siya. So, ito ang itsura ng living room namin ngayon. Nakahilera ang tables. Tigi-isa sila. Homeschooling. Daddy is the teacher today.
You're the teacher too.
Yeah, I was yesterday. How are you there, Zach? Adverbs. Wow. English naman yung kay Zach. Ayan, nakalagay. Friday, homework. Oh, kita niyo, Friday. Good job, Zach. It's too early. And eto yung mga tinupi ko. Hindi ko pa nalalagay. Kasi kagabi, di ba, nagsampay silang mag-aama. So, ayan yung mga tinupi ko
I'm
kagabi.
making the necklace.
Ay, yo, baba.
I'm doing blue in that.
Just leave a little bit at the end so I can tie the knot.
Yeah, give it to Daddy.
You know,
Are you
still on
done?
there,
Oh,
yeah.
that's your necklace.
You're the best, Holly.
Wait, why do I
Hey,
need
listen.
a lot? Lightly.
Nah.
Rudely. No, roughly.
No,
They live.
carefully.
There's no carefully.
You only got one word. How many words you got left? Lightly, heavily.
Hey, that's the teapot spilled on the floor.
The teapot
And
spill on
this
the...
is the trash.
What are you going to do?
Nag-drawing siya, oh. May explanation
And
siya sa
that's
drawing niya.
Pennywise.
Oh, that's science.
I'll go to
Where are you going, hon?
the shop and get you a book.
What book?
Just a book like that.
Why? Do you have more coming?
What?
Hey, not can't, you're not allowed.
Zach needs a book to cut and glue.
I have glue, hon.
Yeah, we need
No.
a book.
A book?
A book.
He can use my
Wait, I
old-
think I have,
He can
wait.
use my
Ngayon naman, ito yung ginawa namin kagabi.
Zach, here.
Ididikit niya na dito. Imamatch niya yung time
My sharpener.
dito sa clock. So, ginawa na namin ito kagabi. So, ngayon,
And
ididikit
make sure when
niya.
you stick them, Zach, don't stick them on the side like that. Stick
Yeah,
them straight.
Okay?
But I don't. But you can't find them. You need older sheets.
Here, you have to find it now.
That's that sheet. So
That's the
you've got.
first one.
So what are you looking at them two? You just want one of them.
Yeah, one of
Find
this
it.
and one of this
So what
clock.
does that say?
See,
So,
Pardon?
okay, find the 6.
Pardon?
This is not 6. Look at the small
The
hand.
little hand is always numbers.
130.
Good job.
Just look.
Yes, it is.
130, right.
Okay,
so
find the
130.
130. You cut it already.
It's not 130.
Hey,
Really,
find
right,
it.
say it.
Yeah,
What's that say?
A past one.
that's right.
Right.
Ganito yung ano nila. Instead na one... Let me show. Nasa na yun? Ayan nakalagay.
I'll show you
Half-
once, show you once only.
1:30, 1:30.
Where is it,
Here,
Zach?
honey.
I know.
Here.
So just turn it out like that, Zach, and go like that on your fingers. Place that down like that.
You know what to do.
Si Holly pala, tapos niya na
And that's all you got to do.
gawin yung kwintas niya. Binuhol na ni si Jan ang nagbuhol.
Right?
And ngayon, nagdo-drawing siya. Can I show them first, Baba? Eto, blanco to kanina. Marami na siyang nagawa. Ayan, nakalagay.
After this, am I done then?
Who wrote this one, Han? Princess Holly.
Me.
Ah,
Oh,
wow,
She
kuya.
said the title.
Oh, you want Princess Hall kasi ano siya, magdo-drawing siya dito sa ano niya, sarili niyang ano, gawa siya ng story niya.
See, there's one drop.
Drawing lang.
This is blowing that.
Mhm.
And that.
Blowing.
Blowing away.
Oh, blowing away.
I can't draw a tree.
Here, like this. Like this one.
Lean over
Would you
and do it
please?
properly.
No, the teacher said you draw, not mommy. You just like this. I show you. Like this. See?
That.
Like that. And then shh.
See, it's crooked.
See, easy. You have to
Oh,
write.
yeah.
Yes. Yep. And then bubbles, like a bubbles. Here, one like this. More. Yep. And then the roots here.
And
The roots here. Like this. Yes, good girl. Ayan na
and
yung
the
tree.
dots
Kasi
here.
dapat siya lang talaga
The
mag-draw.
dot here.
The dirt. Okay, the dirt.
It connects to the dot.
Timetable.
Yeah, connect to the dirt. Good job, Baba.
Good work.
Okay, si Kuya, what are you doing na ya?
Now I'm going to draw the
Math.
apples.
Math?
Timetable.
Okay.
Doing time.
Alright. Tapos na siya sa reading niya.
Apple.
Apples. Oh, yeah. May mga bunga na. Nasa ano? Nasa... Oh, see? Told you, you know how to draw. Good job, Baba. Yes. Ayan na. So far yung nagagawa ni Zaki. Okay.
He's climbing up the ladder to get
Oh.
the apples.
Oh, okay. Gumawa siya ng ladder. Tapos, aakyat daw para kumuha ng apple. Let me see. Good job. See, I told you, you know how to draw. Good job.
Okay, now I'm going to the next page.
What you gonna draw to the next page?
I'm gonna draw
Wow. What's that? What's that?
this, the crown.
Oh, crown. All right. The crown.
Mom.
Yes.
And that's the ball.
The ball.
And let me draw something.
Mom, there's no
Now this is soccer ball.
Soccer ball. Okay.
There's no 12:30.
Do we know 12:30?
Mom.
Sandali lang, hanapin ko lang yung 12:30. Inoff ko yung camera. Gusto niya raw i-vlog.
Soccer
Okay.
ball.
Okay.
I'm gonna draw a person.
A person. Louder so they can hear you. You're gonna do
So
what?
I'm drawing a person.
Mm-hmm.
So they can kick the ball.
Okay.
Let me just dress them up.
Dress them up. Let me see the dress. Ah, okay. Ayan yung dress. Ah, may dress na yung person.
Stop the ball.
Alright.
Now I'm drawing the house. It's just riding. Oh.
Diba? Dami niyang imagination. Okay. Okay, are you done with this page? A person with the soccer ball and then the crown.
Not yet.
Okay.
So this is the window.
The window.
Just put it right there.
Which one?
Put the camera right there.
Why? No, it's alright.
No, just put it there.
Come on. They can't hear. They can't see because it's too close.
Hang on.
Alright.
Can I have your bread, Mom? I guess, Mom.
What is it? Recess time?
Yeah.
No, Dad said no recess.
Daddy said no recess.
After this is done, then
Okay. What's that?
What? Oh, this is the bell that. Mom.
That is
The last one.
4:30. Tapos na si Sak doon. Ito naman, gugupitin ko to. Malapit na siya matapos sa kanyang math. Huh?
Dad will already be finished.
Oh, teacher.
Yes.
What are you doing, teacher?
I'm just cutting this for
I'm a
Kuya
teacher,
Sak.
Mom. Holy.
I'm a mommy teacher today and Daddy is the daddy teacher.
No, there's
Daddy
only one
teacher is outside.
Zach, there can be two
No,
teachers.
they can't.
Yes, they can.
No, they can't.
Today
Yes, they
we
can.
are.
So we're
They
different.
can, but...
Diba? Oh, Baba, watch the camera.
Holly needs to swap seats.
Why? You have the small one? No, Holly needs the big.
No, I do. two.
No, because he's too short. If she has that one, she can't reach the table.
Mom,
Yeah.
I can totally reach with that small chair.
No, it's alright. You're good with that one.
Look. This one. Sorry. Hi, guys.
Hi guys. Ayan yung mga sinampay natin.
Back in the freezer.
Okay, dito.
Back in the freezer.
Mom, could you just...
Guys, this is the water. Do you see my picture? It looks so lovely.
What's that, Kuya Sam?
out the other ones?
This is page 3, so you're done with page 1.
No.
Now this is page 2.
No, I got 2
Yeah,
more.
2 more, yeah.
Jeez, I can't look at them.
No, you have to put it
There.
like this. Put it like this so you can see which one you're looking for because yeah. Is it 8 o'clock? Yeah. You have-
Mom, 8 o'clock, see?
Yes, okay. All right, yeah? You need help?
No. Mom, that's my timer.
All right.
After this, I'm going to be finished.
Okay, yeah. You're
Because
done.
we've been doing this for almost 2 hours.
No, we finished your Friday homework.
I already finished my Friday homework. We only do 2 on each one.
We're almost done.
So these are the raindrops, Mum.
Mm-hmm.
And
Raindrop.
Now he's wearing a hat, party hat.
Party hat.
Yeah.
It's raining. It's gonna be wet.
Well, he got a coat jumper on.
Oh, okay. He has a coat jumper.
Is this 10:30?
Let me see.
10:30.
Yes, 10:30.
10:30.
And these are the big drops.
Okay.
And this is going fast.
It's raining. Heavy rain. Oh, you drop this one. Why? No, not this one because you see all the clock.
Yeah, oh.
Yeah, yeah. Do it nicely, please.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's the raindrops.
Now I need to do 3:30.
Okay, find the 3:30.
It was here right then. Just then.
Okay.
No,
After that, I will cut this one.
just go now.
No, because you have no.
There, now these are the stands for the clock.
Okay.
And I love you so much.
I love you too.
Are you sick?
No, it's just dry throat. Ayan na pala so far yung mga
These are the more
nag-draw
raindrops.
ni Holly na drawing niya. Oh.
These are more raindrops.
Raindrops daw yan. Oh.
They're on here.
Gusto niya kayong ilagay doon. Wait lang. You're right there, Zaki boy. Oh, next page? Okay, this page. Oh, let me see.
Oh, maybe this page.
No, this page na lang. You got it, yeah? We're still working on it? Okay.
Oh, I forgot to do that.
You're finished?
I need that blue.
I would think it's in the 500.
So, si Holly, tapos na siya sa drawing. Mayroon na naman siyang gagawin. Can you explain it, Kuya?
After the hard days, and Holly has to say if she can find it, she has to tick it off on a checklist.
Yeah, mayroon siyang checklist.
Checklist!
Yeah, wait.
Checklist!
Wait. Meron siyang checklist dito. Hahanapin niya yung itatago ni Kuya. Pag nahanap
Don't
niya,
squeeze it,
wait,
don't
Baba.
squeeze it.
I'm not.
Let me do it.
Ayan. Pag nahanap niya si Aunt,
And then
ititik niya
I
yan.
have to like,
Yes, okay. Go find it.
no, just put it.
Oh, you're not ready, yeah? Si Sak pala, ayan. Hindi pa rin siya tapos. Malapit na. Nandun na si Holly. Naghahanap na siya ng mga tinago ni Kuya. What's that, Zach?
You need to cut out this, then I can have it full up.
Alright. You have more here to do.
I know.
We'll do this first.
No, you gotta cut him off.
You found it, Baba? Okay, good girl.
I told her.
Why?
I just gave her a hint.
Ah,
in
okay.
Dad's room.
Okay. You're not. You have another. You have another one.
I'm finished now.
You have another one.
See, now I'm finished.
Ayan, tapos na siya. Good job. O, diba? Straight. Good job. Ayan yung second page. Yung first, nandito. So, ayan. Ginawa niya alternate. Nauna yung clock dito sa first, and then yung second, yung time naman.
You gotta clean up that rubbish because I
Tapos,
didn't cut 'em.
ay, oh, alright, yeah. Dito naman yung clock. Excuse me, you help me.
No, you cut 'em out.
No, you help me.
Holly, there's still one more in your room. You just left it alone.
Let me see. So, Baba, let me see.
Zach, are you ahead of your work? Anything else you got to do?
But tomorrow's Monday. Monday.
Tomorrow's Saturday.
Yeah, Monday.
Yeah, they can.
Saturday is rest day
But
for
are you
them.
ahead, TJ? You getting through it?
Yeah. Of the same.
Holly, can you see bees anywhere up here? You got it. Where's check it off.
Is that the last one?
Clean up na, guys.
Apparently it is.
Pinapakita ni Kuya yung mga gawa niyang, yung mga na-draw niya. Ayan, I like this, yeah.
Yeah, Zach's was good. He's
Yeah,
then the
Saka
bar.
was good too.
well done. But
The
your colour
bar-
on him's got to improve.
Yeah, the
Too many
coloring.
scribbly. You got to
Yeah.
make it neat.
I
Nice,
forgot
and it, well,
to do something in that picture.
Well,
The grass.
the grass, it's alright.
yeah, that's Holly's passbook too.
Yeah.
Put up.
See ya.
Right, bye.
Bye. Punta siya sa malaking shed. Gagawin niya yung mga, yung
Hey, Dad,
rope
I'm on my last
para sa
one
fishing.
Oh,
Ayan, sisa. Oh! Naglilinis siya dito sa kwarto ni Holly after niya magawa yung homework niya. By yourself.
yeah.
Good job. How about this little girl?
No.
Did you help?
No, he was just playing bubbles.
Ah, playing bubbles. Good job, Kuya Sak. Oh, di ba? Nalinis niya yung kalat ng kapatid niya. Ah, ayan na naman siya. Magkakalat na naman siya. Gawan ko ng snack yung mga bata. Gusto raw nila, hot chocolate. Tapos eto, yung ginawa kong bread.
Just move the carpet.
Alright. Okay, hot chocolate
I
for
only want one, please.
one. Okay. Si Kuya, kumain pala siya, guys. Kasi nakalabas yung ham, oh. Ayan, kumain siya tsaka rice.
Ham!
What's that?
Ham!
Ham! Okay, gawang nakita ng hot chocolate. So, ito yung frother. Ito yung gagamitin natin. Oh, wait. Pinainit ko lang sa microwave yung kanilang gatas.
It's not
So, ganyan lang, guys. Meron kaming yung coffee maker, pero ito na lang.
And hot chocolate maker.
Yes. Okay na to. Ito na yung hot chocolate nila. Hindi si Mahalya yung gamit kong chocolate. Ang gamit natin today is yung Cadbury. Tapos, yung di ba meron siyang platito na pinagpapatungan. Hindi ko nilagay yung kanilang tasa, kundi ang nilagay ko ay yung tinapay na ginawa ko kagabi para tipid tayo sa hugasan. So, ayan. Lalagyan ko pa pala to ng marshmallow. Asan yung marshmallow? And then, syempre, naglagay tayo ng, konting chocolate sa top para mukhang nasa coffee shop. So, ayan. Ito yung tinapay, guys. So, tingnan nyo. Soft siya, oh. Tapos, ayan yung itsura niya. Ayun. So, pakainin ko muna yung mga bata. So, ready na yung kanilang recess. Nilagyan ko na rin ng marshmallow. Okay, kiddos. Oh, tingnan niyo yung bread natin. Ang sarap niyan. Oh. Nauna na si Saki boy. I will help you, Baba. Okay, I'll do it, Baba. Oh, okay. This is yours. Ito, dali natin to kay Holy Girl.
No,
Yeah.
with this.
I know. So good.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You can dip the bread, Zach.
No, I already do.
Yeah.
I need spoon, Mom.
Why? Put it here, Zach.
Because I can't. It's too heavy and I might spill it.
Alright.
Ow.
Sorry. Did I hurt you, Zach?
You hit me in the eye.
Oh, sorry. Sorry. Kuya, can you get Holly a spoon, please? Thank you. Sarap, Sak? So, kain muna sila. That's big, Sak.
Yeah.
That one.
Mom.
Yummy.
Yeah, it's good. We've had these mugs for 4 or 3 months.
Yeah.
Autonomy. Give it Jack.
We got it from
Chocolate.
Rose.
Yes.
Yeah, coffee was so good. Hot chocolate.
Chocolate. And my bread. You like my bread? The cookies and cream kisses?
What kind of bread is this?
I don't know how to call because I put bananas.
Do you know like a thing that you didn't know?
Yeah, I'm just experimenting, so. But it's good. Daddy loves it.
You haven't even tried it.
I did last night.
Yeah, we didn't even see you.
You didn't see me?
I did.
Yeah, Kuya did.
I did.
Wait, what?
The bread. Daddy finished it. And I saved some for Daddy.
Oh yeah, I know now.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you ate it with the move.
That's right. Remember, Daddy gave
ready?
me. Yes, I'm ready. Wow, good job.
Ooh, that's the paper.
Mom,
Yeah.
can we do art after this?
Later, yes. I'm gonna vacuum first. And I'm gonna
Emma?
edit as well. Good job, Zach.
Can we do?
I cleaned up 2 spaces.
Mom,
Mm-hmm.
art's my last thing and then I'm done.
Yes. Yung arts nila, kailangan manood ng YouTube because that's what you do at school, right? You watch on YouTube,
Sometimes.
Yeah, and we draw it.
you draw it. So mag-YouTube sila
Mom,
para sa arts.
we
Yes?
go on YouTube and copy the drawing.
Yes. Siya din, ginagawa niya.
Is that
Copycat siya.
breakfast?
Snacks.
Lunch.
Lunch.
It's time.
Not yet. Finish your recess first. Oh my God. Kakain na naman siya ng rice. You just had rice for breakfast, right? That's
No,
right.
this is our brunch.
Yeah, that's your brunch. Recess. That's what you do at school, right? You have recess after our school
And
work.
cleaning up.
Yeah.
I'm still a baby. Why did they put me in kindy?
So good, Zach.
Trying to get the marshmallow.
Borrow Holly's
Yeah.
spoon, Zach.
I almost got it.
Okay.
I forgot.
No more chocolate.
You finish your bread, Baba? Good job. Si Kuya hindi pa.
I finished my drink.
You finish your drink, but not your bread.
Bite of it.
Yeah, and you're done with your bread.
You have to wait for me, Daddy.
Daddy?
Daddy.
Misa, no, you play Daddy sometimes when Holly's asks you to play with her, right? And Kuya TJ will be the mommy.
Because Zach doesn't want to.
Yeah, si Kuya lagi nagpi-playing role na.
I don't play anymore.
Yeah, not anymore. Mommy. Kuya Sak is the daddy.
Be the daddy and Kuya TJ can be the uncle.
Alright, that's alright. If you don't want to be a mommy, Kuya, you can be an uncle. That's good job, Papa.
Dude.
You haven't even finished.
Yeah, but he finished his drink because
Look at Zach's
Ah.
face.
yeah, look at your face there, Zach.
Got him in.
Ta-da! The chocolate.
I know.
You look like a Penny. What was that?
Pennywise.
Pennywise.
That's a scary face, right?
Pennywise. Yeah. Okay, patapusin ko muna sila. Si Sak malapit na. Si Kuya, yung ano na lang, yung tinapay. Good job. Wala na si Kuyang drink eh. Makisaw-saw ka kay Holly. Si Holly tapos na rin siya sa bread niya.
Okay.
You're full? Finish the
One.
Out of the drink.
Can Kuya have your drink?
One was it?
Okay, one more sip. Si Kuya talagang taga-ubos namin dito. So, Kuya can dip his bread. Okay, thanks, Holly.
Welcome.
Para ma-dip niya yung ano niya, tinapay. Yung haba na ng recess nila, 5 minutes. Sige, patapusin ko lang si Kuya. And ako, mag-vacuum ako. Tapos mag-edit. Yun ang gagawin ko after nilang kumain ng recess. Si Kuya na lang naman eh. Tingnan nyo si Kuya, hindi niya inubos yung tinapay kasi gusto niya na mag-rice. Alright. Diba? Minamadali niya ako na, Mom, can I have the rice now? Ayan, hindi. Akin na yung bread. I'll eat the bread. Maki-rice talaga si Kuya. Kain na siya.
I'm still having a hot chocolate.
Okay, yeah, you can finish your hot chocolate. Di ba? Nakadalawa siyang 1.5 cup of hot chocolate, Kuya. Okay. Kain, say kain. Kain means what?
8.
Good job. I told you! Oh, see? Kanina, sinabihan ko sila na huwag gamitin kay Holly kasi mabigat si Holly.
That's my fault.
I know.
That's my fault.
Okay, okay, fix it, Kuya. Oh my God, I told you that's for only your dolls. Okay.
No more Holly.
Ang cute sana nila.
Wait, show one more time.
No.
Natakot na siya. Okay, show to the people what you did to Holly. With that thing. With that thing.
Go, Holly. Get on there.
But she's getting on.
Ah, no. Okay, sit down there, Baba. Slowly.
I know how it breaks.
What?
Because I was turning.
Yeah, okay. Now, yeah, tapos nakasunod. Kinakanya niya si Holly. Okay. That's enough na, Baba. That's for your dolls. Dito na si Jan and kumakain din siya ng tinapay. You like it, babe? Yeah. Yung mga bata naglalaro dun sa kwarto ng boys. Are you done doing your... Guys, eto naman yung ginagawa nila, artwork. And kinokopya nila yung sa YouTube. And si Holly, sumasali din.
It's like a date.
And tingnan nyo yung nangyari. Diba sabi ko sa inyo naglalaro yung mga bata sa kwarto ng boys? Si Sak. Ayan, inapakan niya. Oh, basag. Okay.
Drum set.
Mama, ipakita na lang namin.
That's hard.
Oh, it's hard. Guys, ano na? Nag-cook daw siya ng tea. Alas 6 na eh, nag-order na lang kami.
I said the beef since it's too big.
Oh! Wow, akala ko pizza!
No.
Schnitzel. Oh, Sak, wait!
Zach, Mum's got to do it. Hang
When
on.
we gonna do it? So, meron tayo.
Just hang on.
Okay, balita na.
Fish, go.
What is that? Pizza.
Yeah, it's not pizza.
Oh!
So, meron tayong noodles. And what's this one? All beef, hon?
No, that's chicken.
I'm in the plate thing.
Chicken.
Kids five.
And then, meron ako sa ref ng schnitzel. Pero sabi ni Jan, pahinga daw tayo sa pagluluto.
In here's at this time.
Alright.
Plate.
It doesn't matter.
And yung mga bata, nakapajama pa rin si Holly. Maliligo to mamaya.
Where's to this I can keep the unicorn one.
Alright,
And
okay.
I can pick all them.
Alright.
I'm in this one.
That's
Okay.
pizza.
Zach was last time.
That's huge.
What? Reckon I'll get through it, Barney?
Well, I don't think so. Where's the salad then? Like
That's
the
it.
no, the veggies.
That's all we asked.
Ah, is that what you
Yeah,
asked?
we don't want
I do.
food.
I do.
You didn't ask what I asked what you wanted.
Rabbit food ang tawag niya dun sa mga veggies na green. Yung mga dahon-dahon. Okay, pakainin ko muna to, guys. Ayan, kain na sila, guys. And kanina, maghapon silang nag-drawing. Mama, ipakita natin yung mga drawings nila. Okay, Baba? You got plenty there. Ang dami niyang na-drawing. Ito din. How about you, Han? Do you want me to cut yours, Zachary? No, thanks. Tapos na silang kumain and si Kuya, sabi ko kumuha siya ng bowl Ayaw niya kumuha ng bowl, so nag-share sila ni Holly.
She only gets that because she had a moo.
Mo?
There was only 3 left and I was still eating my 2.
Yeah? Siyang nakakaubos niyan, tsaka si Jen. Si Sak hindi masyado.
Babe, it's gonna get wild, darling.
Yeah, uulan ng malakas at hangin mamaya hanggang bukas. For 3 days, sabi ni Jan. Tapos na siya kumain ng, guys, ng dessert. Sabi ni Sak, mag-squat daw siya.
Go down and then up.
Squat, what?
Yeah, that's enough. Do 10.
The Australian Defence Force is now
2,
helping overwhelmed clinics and 4 new testing
3,
sites have also been announced. Authorities say the high testing
4,
Start burning in here. Keep going.
No, this is full.
Yeah,
4,
yeah, well, don't hold your thing there. Just hold the legs like that, yeah.
4. Go, Kuya. 5.
Because you're not bending your knees.
Si Sak pala yan. Minamassage niya si Daddy. Show them, Sak, what you did before. In Instagram ko siya kanina. Go, Sak. Okay, side by side. Side by 1, 2. Wow. Okay, Kuya. 7. 8. Lowers, Kuya. 8.
Bend your knees.
9.
So your bum near touches the ground.
Lower, Kuya.
Two to go.
Lower.
Alright.
Okay, lower. Oh, it's Holly.
I can't go
Shut
live
up.
with Holly.
Show Zach. Wait, Holly.
Holly, get on Zach.
Zachary. Okay.
Come back here, Zach.
Come back here, Zach.
My knees hurt now.
Go, Zach.
Knees hurt.
Not like that.
Go down.
Not that wide.
Oi!
Holly, don't do that.
You don't
Yo,
lean
you
over.
don't
You just go down.
You just go to Zach.
Is Holly
Keep your
still
head up.
on my back?
No, you don't. None of you.
Come on.
Is Holly still on my back? No.
Gonna have a shower soon, okay? Go, Zach. What you did before. 1, other 1, 2. Minamassage nila si Daddy.
I have to go this way.
What happened to you? And nilinis na nila yung kalat. Hey, Baba, show them your
You're
drawing.
mucking
Come
around and
on.
doing it.
60-41.
Come on, Baba.
3 now.
No.
Short 3 minutes. Go and don't stop.
No. You.
How many minutes
What?
to massage you?
20
20 minutes?
Mom,
Lucky
this is
you.
for the plastic.
each.
20 minutes each. Wow.
I get to finish when the weather's on the
Why?
No,
No,
not
because you've been doing that, mate.
anymore. 7 o'clock.
Yeah.
I'm out new.
Go show them, Baba, your drawing. Where's the other? Ayan, ang cute nito, guys. Oh, eto yung, ayan kay Zach. Yan yung ginawa nila kanina. Is that, no, that's not today.
That, this one was yesterday.
Yeah, the one you did today. How about the other one? The one with the drums. Have you seen that one, the drums?
Yeah.
No.
Ito, tingnan niyo, ang cute. May ginaya nila yung,
Sorry, Dad, my drums.
dun sa YouTube. Pinafollow lang nila. And ito yung, oh, wrong way. Ayan yung drums. Good job, Baba. Where's the other one? And ito pa yung drawing ni Holly kanina.
Made it.
The other way around it should be.
Okay.
Mom, look.
One, this is upside down.
2,
Did you burp?
3, yes, 1.
Let me see.
3,
Hindi kayo nagkakalayo ni Holly dyan sa drum.
4,
Well, let me see number 4.
5.
Ay, we didn't see it.
That's not
I like this one
My karate kid.
That'd be a good feature in your house, babe.
for a new house.
Yeah, just as you walk in the front door, have that
No,
on the
I
wall.
don't like that.
Well, too bad. It's a bloody sea house thing, alright?
Mom, look.
Fishing town.
Sa future house daw
Well,
namin
look, it's
ilalagay
bloody
niyo.
nice. Go and ask them, what does
Nice.
everyone think of putting that on the wall as you walk in the entrance?
Of course, we're
Pagpasok niyo raw sa future house namin, eto makikita niyo. Maganda, basta ayaw ko. I don't like it.
Oh, you see this? You see this here? Oh, this?
I do.
Emma,
You see all this? You see all... Oh, no, that's...
What do you call this?
Oh, it's 3D.
3D triangle. No?
The marshmallow.
Oh, Is
Marshmallow.
that yours, really, Holly?
That's Kuya Sak.
Dad, look.
That's Kuya Sak, your cheater. Oh, yes. You're cheating. Ninja. This was
Oh,
yesterday.
Yes. A slingshot. Yes,
Slingshot. Gaganda na ako sa drawing note kasi tingnan mo naman, naka-follow ba? Na-follow niya yung ano. Yes.
So 1, 4, 2, 3, 5. Oh, I got 4 actually, Mom. 6.
Good job, Baba. Yeah. Ayaw pa nilang maligan. Tingnan nyo. Ganado sila mag-exercise. Si Sak, kanina niya pa yung ginagawa. Come here, Sak. Oh! Oh, galing ni Sak talaga.
Yes, Bill. Dad, let's end some more.
Yeah.
Go walk. Sak. Excuse me. Wait, baby, wait.
I want to do my exercise.
Yeah, wait. Go, Sak. O, diba? Kanina niya pa yung ginagawa.
I hate when I go backwards.
Go, Baba. Sak, Sak! You're gonna hurt your hands. Good job. Okay. Shower soon, okay? Soon. Oh,
Have
diba?
we even been eating outside yet?
Well, only
Oh, ang dami. Good job, Baba.
That's easy. No! Stop!
It's alright,
making
Holly.
a lot of new cars.
Ah,
But they've been made a new golf car.
okay.
Good job, Baba.
Holly, now you're gonna do
Oh, hi, look at Ollie.
heavier. This is so easy.
I need something heavier, hon. I need something heavier now. This is so easy.
Holly, you don't do it like that, Shuggy.
Yeah, that's right, Baba. You have to roll it, Baba.
Look, this is not that. Oh, I'm doing exercise with this.
All right. Good job, Ollie.
Okay, next this. So
Jubilee Highway East, Mount Gambier.
1,
New super premium range.
2,
Inside the box. No advertising.
3. 2 more.
Level pizza. For just 50.
4.
Bring it in.
1 more, Baba. 5. Good job.
easy, I can do. Oh, and this is what you're meant to do.
That's right. Oh, wow. May papasay. Wow.
1, 2.
Hindi rin ito magpapatalo isa. Wow, good job, Baba.
So you didn't stay with me.
I did. We did.
No, it's for doing this.
Yeah, that's the way. Yeah. Oh, careful.
You can pick up from your local
Oh.
store using contact.
Guys, we're gonna close the vlog.
Mom, they can't see your eyes.
It's alright. Okay, close the vlog.
Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on next vlog. Bye.
Show your jama.
Yeah. And I have a pocket.
A packet. Who's that?
Doggy.
Doggy. Good night, guys.
Good night.
Bye. Yun na, guys. Good night.
Please tell me who you see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me.